In this lecture we will going to see the realization of FIR filter, that is how to realize the FIR filters while after designing the FIR filters. So the objective of this lecture is to explain the type of FIR filter structure and the methods to construct the structure. An outcome of this particular chapter lecture is by completing the chapter, students should be able to develop appropriate filter structure based on the type and the characteristics of the FIR filter. As described in previous chapter on the LTI system, those system can be modeled using a difference or differential equation y of n equal to x of n minus 1 plus dot dot impulse response h of n, transfer function h of z. Hence the system that described by the difference equation can be represented by structures consisting of an interconnection of the basic operations of addition, multiplication by constant, or a signal multiplication, delay and advance. See, the difference equation of FIR filter is defined as y of n is equal to summation of h of k x of n minus k is equal to 0 to m minus 1. So y of n is equal to h of 0 x of n plus h of 1 x of n minus 1 plus h of 2 x of n minus 2 plus dot dot h of n minus 1 x of n minus 1. So this is an expanded form of that particular equation. It is a difference equation of FIR filter. The implementation of LTI system can be realized in terms of block diagram and signal flow graph. So that can be LTI, linear time invariant system, can be represented in two manner. One is block diagram and another is signal flow graph. So the component of structures are adder, constant multiplier, signal multiplier, delay and advance. These are the components used in the structures. See, this is the symbols for the adder. So suppose two inputs are there, x1 of n, x2 n. Then the output y of n is x1 of n plus x2 of n. Then constant multiplier, see, x of n, the constant is a, output is a into x of n. Then signal multiplier, suppose two signals gets multiplied, x1n and x2n. Then y of n is x1 of n into x2n. Delay, this is represented by z raised to minus 1 in a square bracket, and the advance is at z, and it is the output of delay is x of n minus 1. Then the output of advance is x of n plus 1. These are the components used in the structure of FIR filter. So the type of FIR filter structure, the first one is a direct form. That, so see the y of n, the equation h of 0 plus h of 1, z raised to minus 1 plus h of 2, z raised to minus 2 plus h of n minus 1, z raised to minus n minus 1 plus h of n into z raised to minus n. This structure realization uses separate delays, memory or both input-output signal samples, and the signal flow is from left to right as shown in below. See, x of n is input, so it is delayed by z raised to minus 1. Then h of 0 you will get, then the h of 1 multiplied by z raised to minus 1, so adder is there. Then another z raised to minus 1, so to get z raised to minus 2 another delay is used. Like that we have to add the delays and the adders, and finally you will get the output y of n. So this is the simplest structure, direct form for the FIR filter. See the cascade form. In case of cascade form, the transfer function is break into different structures, and then it is the output of a first is connected to the input of the second. So for the higher order of FIR filter, The FR filter structure can be realized by implementing cascade form of the lower order of the filter as described by the polynomial equation. H of z is equal to summation of h of n into z raised to minus 1 is equal to product of sum of b0k plus b1 of k z raised to minus 1 plus b2k z raised to minus 2. The structural realization for second order system using cascade form is shown below. So hk of z is equal to bk of 0, bk of 1 into z raised to minus 1, bk of 2 into z raised to minus 2. So as you know that h of z is y of z upon x of z. So by taking inverse of that, x of n is an input which is b of 0, then we should get b1 of 1. So z raised to minus 1, one delay is used, and to get z raised to minus 2 another delay is used, and then again to get k second order, so it is the coefficients are 1 and 2, and so the another again second cascaded system is used, which is instead of b1 it is b21 and b2 of 2. So this is a second order system is realized in cascade form. The system of LTI is described by following the difference equation. This is the problem given to you. Y of n is 0.9 x of n plus x of n minus 1 plus 0.5 x of n minus 2 minus 2.5 x of n minus 3 minus 0.2 x of n minus 4. Draw a direct form structure realization for the system described by this difference equation. So this is a FR system, thus converted into Z transform. So by converting into Z transform, the equation you will get y of z is 0.9 x of z plus z raised to minus 1 x of z plus 0.5 z raised to minus 2 x of z minus 2.5 z raised to minus 3 x of z minus 0.2 z raised to minus 4 x of z. Then obtain the transfer function h of z. So to combine x of z terms and take the ratio yz by xz, so you will get the transfer function h of z is 0.9 plus z minus raised to minus 1 plus 0.5 z raised to minus 2 minus 2.5 z raised to minus 3 minus 0.2 z raised to minus 4. Since h of z is summation of h of n z raised to minus n, and this is in this way it is constructed. The x of n, it is simple, I have the first term 0.9, then x of z minus 1 added, then again second one 0.5, then a minus 2.5, then minus 0.2, and y of n you will get. So this is a simple direct form structure for the above example. Then similarly the next problem, direct form structure, y of n is x of n minus 2 x of n minus 1 minus 2 x of n minus 2 plus 3 x of n minus 3. So x of n, you have to take first z transform of this, then you have to combine the x of n terms together, and then you have to draw the structure. So here you have to use the 3 delays, x of n minus 1, x of n minus 2, and for x of n minus 3, and the 4 multipliers are there, 1 minus 2 minus 2 and 3 adders are there, so as to get the y of n. Similarly, the another problem, draw the direct form structure for the FR filter represented by following transfer function. H of z is equal to 4 plus 2 z raised to minus 1 minus 2 z raised to minus 2 plus 3 z raised to minus 3. So h of z is equal to y of z upon x of z. So it is equal to 4 plus 2 z raised to minus 1 minus 2 z raised to minus 2 plus 3 z raised to minus 3. So multiplying by x of z, taking inverse z transform, you will get this difference equation by using the time shifting properties used over here, and it is realized in this fashion. See, the equation consists of 4, 2, minus 2 and 3 term, and 3 delays are there. So 4 multipliers, 3 adder, and 3 delays are there. See, cascade form of realization. So this is the transfer function h of z is equal to summation of h of k z raised to minus k. H of z is maybe h1z, h2z, h3z dot dot hk of z, where hk of z is h of k0 plus h of k1 z raised to minus 1 plus h of k2 z raised to minus 2, and Then yk of n is h of k0 xk of n plus hk1 x of k of n minus 1 plus h of k2 x of n k n minus 2. See, this is a cascade form. First we will implement h1 of z, then output of h1 of z is multiplied as input of second stage, and so on. So cascade means the h1 of z into h2 of z into h3 of z and dot dot. So output of first stage is the input of second stage, and so on. That is a cascade form. So this is the problem. H of z is 1 plus 1 by 2 z raised to minus 1 minus 2 z raised to minus 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 z raised to minus 1. Draw cascade structure. So two functions are there, h1z and h2z. h1 of z is having first bracket, h2 of z is equal to second bracket, and then it is drawn. So 3 multipliers are there and 2 delays are there and 2 adders are there. So this is h1 of z. Output of h1 of z is given to h2 of z. Similarly, see, this is a same problem. 2 bracket, 2 separate terms, h1z, h2z. Then y1 of z, y2 of z by taking inverse transform, and then the y1 has 2 delays, 2 adder, 3 multiplier. y2n has also 3 multiplier, 2 delays are there.